I wanted to talk to some of you guys that are getting interested in doing your lawn care. Look, it doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to go out there and buy the most exotic stuff. You don't have to go out and buy ammonium sulfate if you don't know what it does. You don't have to go out and buy Celsius or all this other stuff. If you want to just stick to the basics, buy what you can afford. Don't get stressed out trying to keep up with the Joneses. All this stuff is just from hard work. It's not from throwing a bunch of money down. You might get immediate results, but in the end, you're working for a healthy lawn. Healthy lawn. Look at that Bermuda. It's glowing. Now, I'm not perfect either. I don't know everything. I do what I can. You put down the nutrients, you find a plan that works for you, and you don't go crazy trying to keep up with the Joneses. If you try to follow some of these guys on these forums that are spouting, you need to use this, you need to use that, you will drive yourself crazy. Trust me. I started out and I spent a ton of money on my lawn. It's just not worth it. Find yourself a good basic plan. I keep touting this Lesco stuff because it is not very expensive, and man, it works. It works really well. Save your money for other stuff. Spend it on your family. Spend it on yourself, even better. Buy yourself a newer mower. Buy yourself a nicer mower. For Pete's sake, don't stress about it. Don't go out and spend your entire paycheck trying to buy the newest and the nicest stuff. Buy what you can afford. Put it down and be happy. That's it, guys. I'm gonna sign off, go cool off. Hopefully you can see me. Thanks. See ya.